basically, if you don't have that self-value within, and you don't have that acceptance of yourself and that belief in yourself, you're going to keep attracting people that are going to keep highlighting that within yourself. Because if you think about it, like, we are an energy system, we are a soul in a body, and we have like a charge within our system, if you think of us as a whole system. And so whenever there's something within us that isn't, or is sitting there, so for me it was like this lack of worthiness, then that is going to be sitting within the system, and it will attract in whatever else is going to match with that and bring it up to see, bring it to light. And my nan used to always say, like, oh, relationships are to heal whatever needs to be healed. And I would think, like, that's fucked. Like, I think I'm pretty okay. Like, I don't think there's much to heal. And then as time went on, I would realize, like, oh, okay, I really have a lot of shit to work on. And it took me until 28 really to get honest with my shit. And to realize that everyone's here to do that, like to elevate and to work on themselves. And you can worry about the other person all you want, but you can't change the other person. So getting honest with yourself about, like, why am I feeling the need to blame the other person? What's in it for me? Like, where am I attracting this into my life?